If you're experiencing the Cloud Save Error 2025 in The Sims 4, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you reconnect your game to the cloud for seamless saving. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet. A stable connection is necessary for cloud saving to function properly. You can test your connection by visiting a website or using another online application. Step 2. Restart The Sims 4. Close The Sims 4 completely and restart the game. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches that may cause cloud save errors. Step 3. Update the game. Make sure that The Sims 4 is updated to the latest version. Check for updates through Game Launcher and install any available patches, as updates often fix bugs and improve cloud functionality. Step 4. Clear cache. Clear the cache of The Sims 4. This can be done by navigating to the Game S installation folder and deleting the cache files. Restart the game after clearing the cache to see if the issue is resolved. Step 5. Contact support. If the error persists, reach out to EA Support for assistance. Provide them with details about the error and any troubleshooting steps you've already taken. They can offer more specific guidance based on your situation. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the cloud save error in The Sims 4. If issues continue, don't hesitate to seek further help from the community or support channels.